Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video tutorial on snort intrusion detection system. So in this session I am going to show you how to install and configure the snort intrusion detection system, and then how to configure the customized rules and to detect the traffics such as FTP, ICMP and SSH, which are initiated from the parrot or Kali systems. So we need two systems. One is to install the intrusion detection system. I prefer Mint Linux, and another system can be Kali or parrot, and you can configure them in the Oracle VirtualBox and put them in the bridged or NAT network. Either bridged if you are connected to Wi-Fi router, and if you don't have any network to connect, then you can go to either host only adapter or NAT network. So now since I have the Wi-Fi router, I selected the bridged adapter. So once you have the setup, you need two machines. So one is this Linux Mint. You download the Linux Mint or Ubuntu, and you can download them as a OVA file or as ISO file, and then you can install them in the Oracle VirtualBox virtual machine, and I have done already the installation part. So from my channel you can find the installation videos, installation tutorials for the Linux operating system. So that is not under the scope of this presentation. So already the Linux Mint operating system has been installed and it's ready. So once it is ready, so you can open the terminal, and you can install the snort operating system. Before you do the installation part, you have to update sudo apt-get update. Already I have done the update, so I am not going to do that, and then sudo apt-get upgrade. So both these commands already I have executed, so I am not going to repeat that. So once it is done, then we are now set the stage to install the snort. So how to install the snort? This is the command sudo apt-get install snort-y. So go to the, copy this command in the terminal. You can find these commands in the description part of my YouTube video. So sudo apt-get install snort-y. So this would install the snort. Don't execute this command before the update or upgrade. So already I have installed the snort, so I am not going to repeat this. So this is the command to do the installation. So next is, let us explore the directory structure of the snort. So cd etc snort, you can see the various files related to the snort. So this snort.configuration is very important. Then then what else? Community. So this is the very important file which we are going to use in the while we run the snort system. Then Okay, there is a folder called rules under the snort folder. So you can see the list of rules files. Okay, for various scenarios these rules files has been created. Example, let me say this ICMP rule would be invoked when the snort IDS detects ICMP packets, ICMP traffic from any destination. Ping command. So someone is pinging the system, then this rule would be invoked and it will give an alert message that someone has pinged this system, ICMP traffic. Similarly, if it detects any traffic related to FTP, okay, then it will alert or log the message, okay, based on this rules. So this rule has been created to detect the FTP traffic. Similarly, this rule exists to detect the telnet traffic. Okay, this rule to detect the SMTP traffic, SNMP traffic, RPC traffic, understand, then POP3 for email. So for various different traffic, different rules are created already that exist in this folder /etc/snort and rules. So if you type pwd, this would give you the exact location of this folder. Okay, so in this folder you see this many files. Okay, now the snort has been installed. Already we have installed the snort. So once the snort is installed, okay, now I have introduced you about the directory structure of the snort. Okay, now there are various rules just now you saw here. Okay, so these are the different rules. Some of the rules you can customize, okay, and we will see that later. Okay, now before you run the snort, you have to check whether the rules are properly configured or not. So for that, what command we have to use? So this is the command, checking the snort rule. Okay, take this and go here, paste it. So now you can see, so it would check the snort rules. Snort successfully validated the configuration. That means all the rules are perfect. Okay, so there are no issues with the existing rules. So we are ready to run the snort. But now what I am trying to do is this. I want to create a customized rules. Okay, let's say okay, before that let me show this. Okay, let me run the snort and let me show what the snort is going to do. Okay, okay, so let us create some customized rules. Okay, so where to create the customized rules? So if you type ls, you can see here local.rules. This is the file in which you can create a customized rule for each and every scenario. Okay, so these rules are already existing as a library rules given by the snort, but if you prefer to create your own rules, then you can do that in this particular file. Okay, so now we are going to customize this. So sudo nano local.rules. Please see to that you are already in this folder. Suppose if you are not in this folder, then you should give the full path. Okay, so here for me no need to give the full path, since already we are in that folder. In case you are not in that folder, then you should give the full path like this, etc. Okay, snort. Okay, then rules. So like this you have to give the full path if you are not in this folder. Even if you are in this folder, there is nothing wrong in giving the full path. Okay, so now this would open this file. I made some mistake, so it has opened some wrong file. So students, don't use the full path. Rather, what you do is so again I repeat, it was not working, so I explain you the customized rule creation. Okay, so go to this folder /etc snort, okay, rules. So we are in this folder. Now we want to open the local.rules. So sudo nano, okay, then local.rules, open this. So now you can see already I have typed these rules. Okay, so I will put these rules in the description part. You can copy them, as well as I would give this in the lab manual. Okay, so I would give you the lab manual to you. Okay, in this lab manual I would put these commands, so you can make use of them. No need to type, just try to understand them. Okay, so I have put these all in the beginning. Okay, please assume there were no commands, rules, I mean sorry, there were no rules. Okay, it was empty. So these are our rules, customized rules. So let's say the first rule is this: alert ICMP. So if the system detects any ICMP packet, it would throw this customized message, custom rule. Okay, for example, let me put Shimas here so that you understand that this is a customized. For example, when you do the lab session, okay, you can put your name so that it is easy for me to understand that you have created your customized rule. Okay, so this particular rule is to detect the ICMP traffic. So let's check this. Control O, enter, Control X. Okay, so after I modify this, I create this customized rule. Okay, I want to run the snort. Okay, so to run the snort, already whenever you update any rule, I told you you have to update them. I mean, you have to check the rules. So go here and using this command, check the rules. So successfully validated, it means the rules are perfect. Then open another window. Okay, to run the snort. So to run the snort, you go to this command. So snort is running. Okay, so now let's go here. Okay, ping 192.168.1.21. so it should detect the ICMP. Just Control C, close it. So now you can see here Shima's custom rule ICMP detected. So this is our rule. So it has detected the ICMP packets based on our rule. Okay, and it is giving the customized message, and you can see the IP address of the machine from where this ping originated, okay, where the ping started. Okay, so it would direct all the traffic which are coming incoming. So you will get this kind of message, but just try to um, okay, try to focus on the customized message what we are trying to get. And also the source port, IP address from where these packets originated, all information would be directed by the intrusion detection system. Now students, let us focus on the second one, FTP. I want create a customized rule to detect the FTP traffic. Okay, so for that we have to go to the local.rules. So just take the cursor. Okay, so we have the rules here, just take it here, click, then again open this file, and already this is created by me. Okay, so this is the rule to catch the FTP traffic, FTP. So here students, I put once again my name so that we understand that this is a custom rule that is created by us. Okay, so similarly let's create a rule to detect the SSH traffic also. Okay, so Control O, enter Control X. Okay, then I told you, once you create any rule, okay, better you update the, you check the rules with this command. So successfully validation has been done. Then go to the snort monitoring window, just go down, scroll down, keep it ready, and then just go here, FTP 192.168.1.21, and now you check the snort whether it is detecting this traffic or not. See, it is not detecting the FTP traffic, so as well as it will not detect the SSH traffic. So what is the issue? I found the issue now. Okay, I'll fix it now. So the issue is you have to restart the Control C and you have to stop the snort and start the snort again. Okay, you start the snort again and then go to the FTP, and now you check 100% Shima's custom rule FTP attempted. You see FTP successfully detected, and this rule is created by us, understand? And similarly, okay, then I'll go here, okay, then SSH 192.168.1.21. so 1.21. so now let's see what it is doing. Yeah, it detected the SSH traffic also, and similarly if you ping 192.168.1.21, okay, so it has detected the ICMP traffic also. It is detecting based on the custom rule that is created by us. So students, now what's happening is the custom rules are fired now. So in case you don't configure the custom rules, what happened? You can see here so many default rules are here. You can see so many default rules are here. That rules will be fired. Understand? So if whatever rules you want to configure as a custom, then you can give in the local.rules, okay, and that will give the customized messages. Okay, whether you want to log or you want to alert, everything can be done in this file. Similarly, if you want to edit any any particular file, like ftp dot rules, you can do them. Okay, you can go to this and you can customize them. Okay, so this entire file is dedicated for the ftp. Okay, so that's all I have for this snort session. I hope you so you are required to do 3 things in the lab. So you have to create a custom snort rule to detect ICMP traffic. You have to create a custom snort rule to detect FTP traffic. You have to create custom snort rule to detect the SSH traffic. Okay, and the rules either you can get from the Google or the ChatGPT, or you can find them in the description part of my YouTube channel. So with this I conclude this lab session. Thank you very much.